Yo, so I got one of these from, where's it from? From Kmart. The old Kmart bloody thing, and I'm gonna try cooking a venison burger in it in a microwave. We'll see how that goes. So the venison burger is in there frozen, so I don't know how long it's going to take, but stick with me and we'll see. Okay, the venison burger is in there. You can see the venison burger in there. Right, let's see how it goes. So the old Venny burger is sizzling away here. Let's see what she looks like. That's after 2 minutes. It's not looking too bad. I think I'll give it 2 more minutes and that should be cooked from frozen, so bear with me. Well, that's it at 4 minutes. I'm going to get it out and cut it open. That's it, 4 minutes. 2 minutes each side. Let's take it out. And cut the beast open. Right. Come with me. We'll see what it's like. So, it may not be cooked, but it's looking a little red there, so a little too red for me. But I'm sure that feels good. That bit needs a bit more doing. We'll give it a little bit longer. So, 6 minutes later, she's cooked. Yummy. Looks bloody good too. So let's try it. Nothing wrong with that. She's going to be hot though. So let's give it a go. Yep, still juicy. Possibly 5 minutes would have been a little bit better, but that was a frozen patty, so just wanted to try it.